Bluestone PIM hosted our amazing Partner Day. Let's take a look and see what happened.
You are all going to be in your own version of a history book, because this is the first ever Partner Day that Bluestone PIM has ever done and ever created. So I just want to thank you all again.
If you're one of our tech partners or even a technology that wants to partner with Bluestone PIM and understand how you can expand your own reach, work with us and build more and further and deeper integrations, please just get in touch at the link below.